Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today is Tuesday. It is the day after Halloween. It is November 1st. So we are taking down all of the Halloween decor and we have a lot. I think I have just accumulated it over the years. We used to have Halloween parties like before the kids were little and like back in our old house, and I feel like it's just really accumulated. We've got a lot of stuff. I showed you guys a few videos back, but we're gonna take that down. I just have a little bit of a to-do list today. Take down the Halloween decorations. Obviously we're gonna dust and vacuum after taking everything down out here. I need to just like do my November calendar, switch the calendar from October to November, just tidy a few things up. I need to organize a little bit. But mainly we're taking all this stuff down. But I am gonna make some dinner. It is 8:30 in the morning, but I'm gonna be home all day. So I'm gonna make some pasta sauce. I thought I had crushed red tomatoes, but I do not. So we're just improvising and it's gonna be super easy. We're just gonna do ground beef, a jar of this family Mazzetta family recipe marinara sauce. I have a little bit of other marinara sauce and I season it and do all that myself. So super simple, but we're going to get that started first and foremost. So dinner is ready for tonight.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever.
All right, dinner is done. So now we are going to undecorate all of this.
Is broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Who said it'd be easy to be in love? Who said that the sun would always shine? I'm not sure you realize what you are giving up. When did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us?
traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact.
All right, so all of that stuff is down. I have the bins right here. They are super heavy, so I'm not bringing those up. Kevin will do that when he gets home from work. We dusted. I have to vacuum. Clean the windows. I went around the house, cleaned all the glass. I feel like I can breathe. It's just so much less cluttered. And I actually think I'm gonna wait a little bit longer this year to decorate for Christmas, just to give ourselves a little bit of a break. But I wanted to show you how pretty everything looks. Just super, just our little pumpkins and stuff. Fireplace is always my favorite place to decorate. And then over here, just very simple. And then the dining room, again, very simple. This, like, just opens up the whole room. I'm like, the room feels so much bigger and so naked. But then we just have our little, I was doing it from behind, so, but look how pretty. Now we vacuum.
Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination.
One, two, three. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock.
All right, so everything on our list, we vacuumed. I was gonna organize the pantry, but I'm not gonna do that today. I'm gonna do another organizing video. I did tidy the fridge, there's not much in it. I actually placed a little grocery pickup order that I will go pick up later on, but I probably won't include it in this video. But there's really, I'll show you, nothing in our fridge except for drinks. So it wasn't really much to wipe down or clean. So Next thing is our calendar, which I couldn't spell calendar, clearly. So that is next, is taking down our October calendar, getting rid of all of these papers and different things from school, and getting ourselves organized for the new month ahead.
Ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town.
All right, and that is it for this video. We cleaned, we undecorated, we cleaned all our glass, dusted, vacuumed, we set ourselves up and did some planning for the month of November. We are in a good spot, and it is November 1st. I've been kind of lazy. I used to do like a plan with me video every month and have it premiere on the 1st of the month. We fell off that. There's just been a lot going on, so I haven't been doing that as consistently as I used to. But you guys used to really like those videos, and those used to be like some of my like most watched videos, and then they kind of fell off. So I'm like, well, if you guys aren't loving them, which is totally fine, I'm not gonna worry too much about having them, you know, live and done every single month. So that is it for this video. If you guys are new, I hope you consider subscribing. I have a ton of Christmas motivation, cleaning, getting ready for Christmas, Christmas gift guides, what I got my kids for Christmas. I'm just about done. So make sure you guys are subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna